As a child care provider, you may want to take courses online, but are confused about what online or distance learning courses count toward your 30-hour training requirement. This video will help to give you the answers you are looking for. The New York State Office of Children and Family Services, or OCFS, regulations require all providers to complete 30 hours of training every 2 years covering 9 topic areas. Today, training opportunities come in a variety of forms, from the traditional classroom setting to online courses, also referred to as distance learning or e-learning courses. With all of these choices, it's important to determine what training options are right for you. How do you best learn? What training opportunities are available in your area? Are there different methods of receiving training you should consider? Traditionally, providers have attended classroom training or in-person or online college courses if working toward a degree, in order to meet their 30-hour training requirement. Technology has advanced so much that distance learning opportunities are available all over the place. But not all distance learning courses are created equal. How can you tell if a distance learning course you're interested in will count toward your 30-hour training requirement? Here's a simple rule. When in doubt, check the Early Childhood Education and Training Program, or ECETP website. By going to this website, you don't have to worry about whether or not a course is approved. It lists a number of OCFS-approved, non-college credit-bearing distance learning courses to choose from. On the homepage, click OCFS Reviewed Distance Learning Courses. Here, there are several ways to find approved distance learning courses that will assist you in meeting your 30-hour training requirement. One of the ways is to select from one of the approved organizations. With a few exceptions, any of the courses offered by these organizations can be used to fulfill training hours. Click on the organization for details on how to register and to view their course catalog. Courses are offered by an increasing number of organizations, and the variety is amazing. The options range from 1-hour courses all the way up to courses that meet training requirements for a CDA credential. Another way to find approved distance learning courses is by scrolling down the course titles for individually reviewed courses. Here you can also view the OCFS topic areas covered by the course. To search for courses that cover a specific OCFS topic area, just select the topic from the drop-down menu. Be sure to check the approval status of the courses you are interested in taking. Understanding the differences in approval statuses will assist you in knowing what courses will or won't count toward your 30 hours of training. Selecting and completing a course with an approved status means that specific course will count toward your training requirements, as long as the completion certificate is obtained prior to the course approval expiration date. An approval expired status means the course was previously but is no longer approved because the approval time has passed and the organization must resubmit the course for review. If you completed the course and obtained a completion certificate prior to the course approval expiration date, then the course will count toward your training hours. A course with a not approved status means the course was reviewed but did not meet the OCFS criteria, which is a minimum requirement, so you cannot use this course to meet your training requirements. For more information on the course or the site providing the training, click on the organization's name under the organization column. Remember, to meet your 30-hour training requirement, you are responsible for selecting the right courses that cover the necessary OCFS training topics. There may be courses that do not count towards certain OCFS training requirements, including medication administration, CPR and first aid, and health and safety. Be sure to read the top of the webpage for more details. Some courses are free, but require a fee to receive a completion certificate, which you must have to prove you completed the course. Be prepared to download the course description. Your registrar or licensor may request this information to support why the course fulfills training in the OCFS topic you selected. If the organization providing the approved distance learning course is aligned with the Educational Incentive Program, or EIP, and you are eligible to use EIP, then that's another plus for you. Visit the Educational Incentive Program website for more information. With the option of distance learning courses or classroom training, you get to choose what method of training works best for you. Remember, if you need help locating or finding out what distance learning courses will count toward your 30-hour training requirement, visit the ECETP website. It's all there, ready for you to use.